Hi everyone, welcome to English with Aga. This video is about the present continuous tense. We're going to talk about 7 different ways in which you can use the present continuous. And there are some practice exercises at the end, so keep watching. Before we start, subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the description underneath this video. Let's get started. The present continuous tense in English is sometimes called the present progressive. The main situation in which you need it is to talk about something that is happening right now, in this specific moment. I am reading a book right now. I am drinking coffee right now. I am watching TV right now. This is very different from I read a lot of books, which is the present simple. I'm reading a book means right now. I read a lot of books is a regular action, so it happens every week or every day or every month. So that is the difference between the present continuous and the present simple. You can also use the present continuous to talk about things which are generally true, but they're quite temporary. I am living in Paris at the moment. For a short period of time, I am living in Paris. It's temporary. It is not permanent. It is not forever. Compare that with I live in Paris. This is more permanent. Paris is my home. I am not going anywhere. I am not moving. I live in Paris. The present continuous is also for temporary habits that we develop. For example, I am eating a lot of sugar. It's a habit, but it's not happening right now. It's just something that I do every day, but it's temporary. Compare that with I eat a lot of vegetables. This habit is permanent. I always eat a lot of vegetables. I eat a lot of vegetables every week. But I'm eating a lot of sugar this month. It's a temporary habit that I have. The present continuous is also for when you're annoyed about something. You're always wearing shoes inside. The floor is so dirty. You're always wearing shoes. So here we don't use the present simple, even though it's something that you do all the time, every day. So it's a repetitive action. But because we're annoyed, we need the present continuous. You're always wearing shoes inside. What are you thinking? This is also the present continuous. Usually with the verb think, we use the present simple. I think you're a nice person. I think this film is interesting. So I think means it's my opinion. In my opinion, you're a nice person. I think you're a nice person. But you can say I'm thinking. And this is about the process that's happening in your head right now. So right now, I'm thinking we should go for lunch. This is the process in my head right now. I am thinking we should go for lunch. I'm also thinking about my friend right now. Again, it's a process that's happening in my head right now. I am thinking about my friend. I'm being. Is that correct? Yes, you can use the verb to be in the present continuous. Compare these two sentences. I am horrible. I am being horrible. I am horrible means that always, whenever I talk to you, every time we speak, I am horrible. In general, I'm a horrible person. I am being horrible means right now in this conversation, I am being quite argumentative. I am being horrible right now in this very moment, in this specific conversation. And the final use of the present continuous before we move on to the practice exercise is to talk about the future, to talk about future arrangements that you have made with other people, when you have made some plans with others. I am playing football with my friends on Saturday. We have arranged to play football. It's a plan that we have made together with them. We are playing football in the future on Saturday. Let's practice. Tell me, is it the present continuous or the present simple? I, coffee at the moment. Am drinking or drink? I am drinking coffee at the moment. It's happening right now. You're so annoying. You, really loud music. Always play or are always playing. You are always playing loud music. It's something that I'm annoyed about, so I need to use the present continuous. I, tennis every weekend. Am playing or play? I play tennis. It's just a regular action that happens every weekend, so I need the present simple. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the description underneath this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!